In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us learn phrasal verbs and prepositional verbs, part 1J. Meanings and use. Number 1 phrasal verb is check in, meaning arrive or get registered at a hotel. Visit or see somebody. Sentences. We checked in at a hotel in the evening. He checked in to inquire after my health. Number 2. Check out, meaning vacate or pay out at a hotel. To total and pay out at a kiosk. Examine or look at closely. Leave in a hurry. Sentences. We checked out of the hotel in the morning. After calculation, we checked out the bill. After shopping, you have to check out at the kiosk. Just check out this shirt, it will suit you. He checked out from there as soon as he received the call of his friend. Number 3. Catch up, meaning to reach somebody or something ahead. Keep up to date with news. Entangle, pick up suddenly. Sentences. I'll catch up before you reach college. Thank you for catching me up on the latest news. The wires caught up together and gave out a spark. A thief caught up her bag and ran away. Number 4. Climb up, meaning become silent, shut up. Sentences. All the students climbed up when their teacher entered the class. On our questioning, he completely climbed up. Number 5. Cut out, meaning put an end to, deprive, disconnect. Sentences. You should cut out your extra expenses to save some money. He was cut out of his share in the property. The power supply was cut out from his house. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.